escucha sí o sí. Everybody. Everywhere. Abrieron Perú, bien, muy bien. Mañana lo disfrutaré. How you doing?
Have fun today?
Yeah,
Taking some videos?
I did some. Yeah, I'm still filming. Now it's working. This is a remote.
Oh, okay. I talked to you about it before.
Yeah,
over
yeah.
at Gadzoom. I think I
Yesterday,
talked to
yeah.
you about it.
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
very good.
I looked at it on Amazon last night.
Yeah, look up for the Hero 5. It's the last one.
Hero 5 is a good one? Yeah, I saw the Hero 5. I saw the Hero 4.
Yeah.
I saw a skiing customer yesterday had a Hero 4. I was talking.
Yeah, I had the Hero 1 and
Okay.
then I moved to 5.
Hero 5 is advanced one, right? And you can do a lot of editing with it.
Yeah,
And make
yeah.
movies and good stuff, right?
And you can
good
put the
software.
speed. I mean, you have a
Make
lot of ads.
lot of things. Okay, Hero 5.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think my son would get a kick out of it for a Christmas present.
it's a good idea.
Yeah, it is a good idea. I looked at it last night, that I saw all of them there.
Yeah, no, it's
It's
great.
kind of expensive, but it'll be worth it.
Absolutely.
And that's a Hero 4 you got there?
5. This
That's
is
a
a
Hero
5.
5? So that's a Hero. How much did you pay for it?
I think it was 400.
400?
Can't remember exactly, but yeah.
That's not much money.
I told you, I received a gift, so I entered with a gift card and I bought it. Yeah.
So 400? You
Yeah.
can get them at Best Buy too, can't you?
I did it in Best Buy.
You did Best Buy, you bought it?
But online. But then I bought this thing in GoPro.
Yeah.
They have an excellent service.
Oh, okay.
Directly, GoPro.
You get this remote for with that?
Yeah. It's very cool because